Have you ever finished a beautiful multicolor 3D print only for it to break apart the moment you remove it from the build plate? That's exactly what happened to me with this Lightbox lid. The colors separated and the whole piece just cracked. But here's the good news. I found a simple way to prevent this from happening, and it makes your prints much stronger without affecting the look of your design. Let's compare the two. The first cover broke because the different colors were printed as individual blocks. They weren't really connected, so when I applied pressure, they split apart. To solve this, I added a thin white layer across the entire surface. It acts like a glue layer, keeping all the colors locked together. Since it's thin and white, it doesn't affect the light diffusion, but it gives the piece much more durability. And as you can see, the colors are exactly the same on both lids. The only difference is that now they're reinforced. Here's the final Lightbox switched on. Bright colors, perfect diffusion, and no risk of the lid breaking apart. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 3D printing tricks, and let me know in the comments what kind of multicolor projects you're working on. Until next time, happy printing!